A very good evening to all the students of class 6. How are you student? I hope you all will be very much fine. So today is the turn of chapter number 12 and the title of the chapter is Home at Last. So this chapter is by Renuka Vishwanathan. First we will do the introduction of Renuka Vishwanathan. Here is the picture of Renuka Vishwanathan, and from 2000 she has left the job of bank and then she has developed her passion for writing into a full-time career. So her special interest lies in writing for children and getting them to take more interest in reading. So she used to write about children. She used to write short stories. And the main point is she has won the first prize in a short story competition also, and it was her words. See, I can write anything, fiction or non-fiction, business or science, finance or for children. That is my strength and uniqueness. So she used to say that she can write about imaginative stories also as well as real story also. So shall we start with the chapter? So in this chapter you will read about a story of a girl, and the name of the girl is Aparna. Aparna, she used to live in America with her parents. Actually, her parents left India 12 years ago, and Aparna was born in America only. And she used to find herself different from the other children, because in America most of the children were having fair skin, blue eyes, and she was not having that much fair skin now, and she was not having blue eyes. So she used to find herself different among the children of America, although she was born in America, but she used to find herself different from them. And another problem is also over there. See, I want sausages and eggs for breakfast like Suzanne. Actually, Aparna's parents were purely vegetarian. But when she sees that everybody in America, in her class, everybody is having non-veg items, they are bringing sandwiches with them, they are having non-veg item, she also used to ask such things from her mother. But her mother explained her that we are vegetarian, how we can eat all these things, but if you are 18 years old, when you can take your decision, then you can decide that whether you want to become vegetarian or non-vegetarian. So what she used to bring in the school, rice and other Indian food, and she used to bring idli, dosa and these things, and she used to feel embarrassed. उसको बहुत इंसल्ट फील होती थी that she is bringing such kind of items in the school and everybody is bringing sandwiches, sausages and non-veg items. She used to feel ashamed. Another problem, accent. Her accent was faultless. She was very good in English. She was very good at her pronunciation, but the pronunciation of her parents was quite different, because her parents were from India. They came 12 years ago. She was born over there, that is why she was having perfect accent of America. So she used to feel ashamed that my parents are not speaking English properly, they are not able to speak American English. She used to feel insult in that. Another problem is also that she does not want to participate in Indian cultural activities. Reason, she used to find it useless. That why should I take part in all these stupid activities? But her mother was willing that my daughter should know about the Indian culture and all. See, Aparna was ashamed of her parents. They spoke English in a such different way. Now, she was also having a problem that why my mother wears silk sari, why she wears jewelry, diamond earrings, nose ring, why her hairs are so long. So she wants her mother wear jeans. See, why can't you wear jeans? She had asked of her mother. Mohan's mother wears jeans and her hair is cut stylishly. You don't fit in with your long plait and bindi. So she was having a problem that why her mother follow such Indian culture. She wants to see her mother in jeans only. She wants to see her mother model, because she used to feel ashamed that why my mother is wearing such kind of things only. So she was proud of them in her own way. Her father had come to America to study, and by sheer brilliance and dint of hard work had landed a job. Dint means as a result. So Aparna was very much proud that my father has completed studied here, and he got a very good job here, and he able to feed his family in India also as well as in America also, and she was provided with all luxurious items in America. Means she was having everything. Then all of a sudden their parent decided to go back to India just to visit his family. Why they could not go to India for 12 years? Because they were not having enough money to go to India to visit India. But now they are having enough money to go to India and to visit their family. So what she find over there? She find that Aparna had been surprised to learn that my father could speak 5 other Indian languages and her mother 3. So she was very amazed that my parents can speak so many languages. So that time she feel very ashamed that I was feeling ashamed in front of my American classmate that my father and mother not able to speak proper English. But here in India, they know more than 5 languages. They know, my mother know 3 languages. And now she was looking at silk sari with flower in hair, diamond earring and nosing. And now she is able to appreciate her mother's silk sari and her hairs, long hairs. Actually, she has looked at her mother carefully after a long time. So after coming back to India, she able to look at her parents. She able to appreciate them. She able to know about the Indian culture. See, the trip had been an eye-opener. She saw her parents in a new and different light. So she was very much happy that my parents are very much knowledgeable person, especially when they were so different and had a different culture and different set of values. So now she realized that my parents never forced me to be like Indian. So why should I force my parents to be like America? So now she able to realize the thing, and at the end she realized that during her visit and matured beyond her years, she was proud of her parents and realized she had been unfair to compare them. So now she has realized that she should not compare her parents along with anyone. She should accept her parents as my parents accepted me. And now she decided that she would learn to read and write her mother tongue and actively take part in all the Indian cultural activities. So now she has decided that she will know about her Indian culture. She would like to participate in all cultural activities, and she will be proud of Indian culture as well as her parents accept the American culture. So this was the story, very small story. Thank you so much and have a nice day.